Good morning and welcome to Futures and Charts. It is Monday, August 26th, about 8:30, and since I do sell fuel and futures contracts, I thought I'd start out with the fuel and oil market today. Crude oil is up 246 and diesel is up over 6 cents. So we're having a pretty good jump here. And I did do some lines here, some trend lines on the chart. And as you can see, we've been trading in a range here for a while, and we have just bounced off of that. We broke through this trend line I had going here. We fell back through it. Now we busted back through it, and we've actually created another trend line here, but we've actually gone above that. So that's today. So remains to be seen whether it stays up there. If we head back towards a 50% retracement, we're going to be about in the 245 range. And if we trade back all the way to the top of the channel, we're going to be up in the high 250s, 260 range, which would be, 20 cents higher from here. So it'll be interesting to see where today finishes. That'll kind of tell a story of where this might be going, but it's been a pretty decent reversal. I'm glad I did get a couple customers to buy some fuel down here, so hopefully that will work out for them. It just depends on where this ends up going with the Fed going to be cutting rates in September. The other thing too is the Eastern Libya has actually quit exporting oil, and I think they read that they even are, I don't know if it's production or what, but I know they're going to quit exporting. They're having some political issues over there, and so obviously that's causing some problems. The headlines are here, and plus also the Israelis did strike Hezbollah in southern Lebanon they were hitting some rocket launching sites and stuff like that as a preemptive strike, and that's got the market kind of stirred up as well. So that's what we're looking at in the fuels with wheat. I had to put in the stochastic RSI and the relative strength index. The momentum is, of course, terrible. The chart, you'd have to go back to December of 20 to get this low again. This is just a crazy market, and unsurprisingly, as low as things have gotten, the relative strength index hasn't dropped below 30 yet, so it's not actually even oversold. So, which is kind of scary. So, I don't know if we're going to head back to test this old low back here, back in, when was that? That was in June of 2020. Yeah, it's hard to say. I hope not. I'm hoping you guys will be able to put most of your grain in bins and be able to hopefully ride this out and maybe sell if we get a decent bounce here. So we can always just keep looking at that. It's we'll switch to the 9-month here, but yeah, I mean that almost looks to me like, I don't know if you guys follow charts and stuff, but a crescendo sell-off, and a lot of times these will cause a V recovery. So we could have, the shorts start covering their positions. They figure that's gone down far enough that they got to get out, and that takes some pressure off of the downside. So I'm hoping that's what's going to happen. We'll have to see. Now in the near term, it looks like we have finally gotten into oversold, which makes sense on the 9-month chart. So anyway, that's what I got for you today. Not really good news anywhere. Wheat's down and oil's up, so costs are up, and your product you're trying to sell is down. So hate to be the bearer of bad news, but today's just one of those days. So we just have to look past today and hope for better things here in the future. So Anyway, thanks for watching. It's Steve with Futures and Charts, and we'll catch you in the next video.